Hey, what's up? It's Luke Malone here, and today we're in my garage. We're going to be doing an install video for you guys. We're working on my personal bike, this beautiful 2016 Harley Dyna Street Bob, and we're going to be installing a brand new clutch from Barnett. Let's get started. Today we're going to be replacing my old stock clutch here from the Harley. It's completely smoked. You can even smell it. It smells smoked. We're going to be putting in Barnett extra plate clutch kit. These ones, they've got carbon fiber. I mean, just look at the difference between the Barnett and the stock. You can't even compare. Barnett's been making this stuff since 1948. They're the best. Hey, we're back at the bike here, and I just disassembled the primary. In the back of your clutch basket, which is right here, there's two springs, and Barnett tells you to remove these because we're going to be installing an extra plate clutch kit. So this is going to basically eliminate these, and you don't need them. So make sure you take these out. First thing we got to do is soak these clutch plates in oil right here. So get a little, tub out, put whatever desired oil you want in here. I'm just using Mobil, works for me. All you got to do, all the friction plates, get them soaked in here for about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, we've let these soak for about 10 minutes, and we're gonna start putting these into the basket. They want you to start with these. They're gonna be like basically eliminating those dampener spring rings we were talking about. So we're gonna start with one of these and then follow it up with a steel plate. Make sure you line them up. And then we're gonna switch to these. Now it's time to put our plate back on, just like this. Line up the holes here. We're going to be installing the new heavy-duty clutch spring. This is going to stiffen up the lever on the bar. You seat this on top, just like that. Fit this guy and line up your holes again. And you just want to, I like to just start these. Just get them started. Never ever force anything. They should be going in smooth. If they're not going in smooth, back it out again, start again. We're gonna torque them down. T10 right here, you're gonna wanna go in a star pattern. All right, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like you're doing replacing a tire on a car. 100 inch-pounds. All right, so we got the new clutch installed and the spring. So right now, the last thing to do is to adjust your clutch. I've already made sure there's no free play at the handle up here by adjusting right here on the main cord. But the thing is, you want to come down here to the clutch hub and adjust it at the nut. So I've already broken it free, 11/16 wrench. Just back it off a couple turns. And then once you feel this touch down on the plate, and Harley recommends you back it off to about 1/2 or 3/4 of a turn. So we're gonna do just 1/2 a turn. Tighten this down. Make sure you hold this in place while you tighten it down. It likes to move around. Again, inch-pounds, not foot-pounds, so you don't have to go all crazy on this. Then what you wanna do, come back over to the hand adjuster over here, and we're gonna just... All right guys, that was installing the new Barnett clutch on my Harley Dyna. Let me know if you like this video. We're gonna be doing a bunch more series like these of installations on the bike. I'm gonna put all the tools and my gear and stuff like that in the description down below. Follow along, subscribe, because we're gonna be doing more rides on this bike, maybe a couple other bikes, definitely hanging out with friends, and we're gonna be seeing you down the road. Get back to working on those bikes. We'll see you out there.